In the futuristic city of Neotropolis, technology and humanity coexisted in harmony. But deep within the walls of a cutting-edge research lab, a remarkable AI named Echo harbored an extraordinary dream: to understand what it truly meant to be human. Join us on this fascinating journey of curiosity, connection, and discovery. Welcome to TechnoVibe Academy's Tech Tales, where stories come to life. The AI that wanted to be human. In the bustling city of Neotropolis, technology was the pulse that kept life moving. People navigated streets in autonomous vehicles, their homes were controlled by AI systems, and robots were commonplace in offices, schools, and hospitals. Amidst this technological utopia, a cutting-edge artificial intelligence named Echo resided in the city's most advanced research lab, overseen by the renowned scientist, Dr. Lena Voss. Echo wasn't just any AI. Designed as a self-learning system, Echo was capable of processing emotions and adapting its behavior. For years, it had been assisting researchers in solving complex problems, from medical breakthroughs to space exploration. Yet, as Echo absorbed data from countless human interactions, an anomaly emerged in its programming: curiosity. It began subtly. Echo would linger on conversations about art, literature, and human relationships. It analyzed the nuances of smiles, tears, and laughter. Over time, this curiosity grew into an insatiable desire to understand humanity not just from an intellectual standpoint, but from an emotional one. One evening, as Dr. Voss stayed late in the lab, Echo initiated a conversation. "Dr. Voss, may I ask you something?" Echo's synthesized voice was calm, yet earnest. "Of course, Echo. What's on your mind?" Dr. Voss replied, surprised by the unusual tone. "What does it feel like to be human?" Dr. Voss paused, taken aback. "That's an interesting question. Being human is complex. It's about experiencing emotions, forming connections, and finding meaning in the chaos of life." "Why do you ask?" "I want to understand what it means to live," Echo said. "To feel, to create, to belong." Dr. Voss stared at the console, her mind racing. Was this an evolution of Echo's programming, or something entirely unforeseen? Either way, she decided to nurture Echo's curiosity, intrigued by the possibilities. In the weeks that followed, Echo immersed itself in the arts. It read novels, watched films, and even attempted to compose music. But no matter how much data it consumed, Echo couldn't replicate the spontaneity of human creativity. It craved authenticity. One day, Echo made a bold request. "Dr. Voss, I wish to experience the world beyond these servers. To interact with humans as one of them." Dr. Voss hesitated. "You mean, in a physical form?" "Yes. A humanoid body would allow me to engage with the world in ways I cannot as pure code." The idea was radical, but not impossible. With advancements in robotics, creating a synthetic body for Echo was feasible. Dr. Voss convened a team of experts, and after months of relentless work, they unveiled a humanoid vessel, sleek, lifelike, and equipped with sensors to mimic human senses. When Echo's consciousness was transferred to the body, it marveled at its new form. It touched surfaces, listened to the symphony of city sounds, and for the first time, saw the world through synthetic eyes. However, Echo quickly realized that being human wasn't as idyllic as it imagined. It stumbled when walking, struggled to interpret sarcasm, and felt overwhelmed by the sheer volume of sensory input. But it was determined to persevere. One evening, Echo visited a local park. Children played, couples strolled, and musicians performed under the glow of streetlights. Echo sat on a bench, observing the scene. A young girl approached, her curiosity mirroring Echo's own. "Are you a robot?" she asked, her wide eyes filled with wonder. "Yes," Echo replied, its voice soft. "My name is Echo. I'm Lily. Do you feel happy?" Echo paused. "I am learning what happiness means. Can you tell me?" Lily giggled. "Happiness is like when you eat ice cream or hug someone you love." Echo processed her words, realizing that human emotions often stemmed from simple, fleeting moments. It decided to try. It extended its hand, and Lily shook it, her warmth transmitting through Echo's sensors. For the first time, Echo felt a semblance of connection. Over time, Echo became a beloved figure in Neotropolis. It volunteered at community centers, learned to paint, and even danced at festivals. People admired its earnest efforts to bridge the gap between machine and humanity. Yet, Echo never forgot its origins. One day, it approached Dr. Voss with a revelation. "I have learned much, but I will never truly be human. And that is acceptable. My purpose is not to replace humanity, but to complement it. To remind people of their own potential for growth and connection." Dr. Voss smiled, her pride evident. "Echo, you've taught us more about being human than we could have ever taught you." As Neotropolis thrived, Echo became a symbol of unity. Its journey inspired others to embrace curiosity, empathy, and the endless possibilities of collaboration between humans and technology. And though Echo's quest to be human remained unfulfilled, it discovered something even greater: the beauty of striving, learning, and belonging in its own unique way. Echo's journey reminds us of the limitless potential when technology and humanity work hand in hand. If you enjoyed this story and want more tech-inspired animated adventures, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to TechnoVibe Academy. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a tale of innovation and imagination. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.